sana, kunaye Mungu muweza wa yote. Aliingia rohoni mwangu, kanipa kutulia, kaniambia ewe mwanangu, usilie tena. Hey, what's up? My name is Robbie and today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Moyo Wangu, Patrick Kubuya. This one is a beginner-ish song, so if you're in your early stages of playing the keys, this shouldn't be hassle to get by. I've also done a guitar tutorial on this song, so if you want to go and check it out, the link will pop up somewhere up here. I will start off with a mini part where I will quickly discuss the progressions of the different parts of the song. So that part will be mainly for those guys who are already conversant with their chords and chord movements and rhythm. And then I'll follow it with slower and detailed parts for beginners. So guys, as always, if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, just let me know in the comment area. And if you learn from this tutorial, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future tutorials. So guys, with that aside, let's kick off right after this. I will start off with the quick part of the tutorial. So the key of the song is key E. The verse and the chorus have the same chord progression. The progression, the intro has a different chord progression from the progression that is on the verses and the choruses. So I will start off with the intro, and then I will show you guys how to play the main chord progression of the verses and the choruses. So the intro chord progression is 1, 5, 4, 1, 4, 1, 5, 5. So the chords are E, B, the intro, you will play the intro twice. Then the chord progression for the verse and the choruses is 4, 1, 5, 6, A, E, B, C sharp minor. Moyo wangu usilie moyo wangu usibabaike. So well, that's how you play the whole song, because apart from the intro, the other part of the song will just be the 4, 1, 5 and 6 progression. So well, right now I'm gonna slow and kind of be detailed for those guys who are beginners. So well, key E, the song. So the one here, the progression is 1, 1, 5, 4, 1, 4, 1, 5, 5. So the one is E major. Yes, it's an E major chord. The 2 is a B major chord. A is the 4 is A major chord. Yeah, and the 4 is A major chord. So those are the chords that are in that progression of the intro. So I'm gonna show you how to hold these chords. So the one is E chord. That's just a straight E chord. So I am using on my left hand, I'm playing note E with my small finger.
then note G sharp with my middle finger, and note B with my thumb. My right hand, note E with my thumb, note G sharp with my middle finger, and note B with my small finger. So that's E. And then the chord that follows is B chord. So this is an inversion of the B chord. So normally you will play your B here, B chord, B. So this is the first inversion of your B. So B, second in B, this is the first inversion of the B chord. So well, I am using my left hand. I am playing note D sharp with my ring finger, note F sharp with my middle finger, and note B with my thumb. My right hand plays, thumb plays note D sharp, F sharp with my pointer finger, and these are the notes, which is note B with my small finger. So that's B. So E, B, 4. So this 4 chord is A major chord. This is A major chord. So this is the second inversion of the A major chord. So normally you play your A here, A, then the second inversion of the A chord. So I am using my small finger to play note E, then my pointer finger plays note A and F sharp, and so note C sharp with my thumb. Right hand, my thumb play note E, A with my middle finger, and my small finger will play note C sharp. So that's A major chord, and then you play your E again, and then you go back to A, E, then B, and B again. So that well, the intro will be E, B, the main chord progression for the verses and the choruses, which is 4, 1, 5, 6. So the 4 is A major chord inversion. The 1 is E major chord. The 5 is the B chord, and then 6 is C sharp minor chord. So the chord that I haven't shown you how to hold here is the 6th chord. So the 6th chord here, which is the C sharp minor chord, I am so this one is actually first inversion of the C sharp minor chord. So normally you will hold your C sharp minor chord here. So C sharp minor chord, then first inversion of the C sharp. So I am using my small finger to play note E, then note G sharp with my middle finger, and then my thumb plays note C sharp. On my right hand, note C sharp, C sharp minor chord. So normal C sharp minor chord, then first inversion of the C sharp minor chord. So I am playing notes E with my thumb, G sharp with my middle finger, and C sharp with my small finger. So that's the new chord in this case. So you play again 6, 4, 1, 5, 6. So you can play every half a beat. You play, you know, a chord for half a beat.
Moyo wangu usinilie, moyo wangu usibabaike. Kunaye Mungu tena sana. Moyo wangu na.
See, I'm just playing 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So ideally that's how you will play the song. There is a part where the song transposes, but you can play the whole song with you know, on that key. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. I hope I was clear, but if I wasn't clear, if there's a part that I wasn't clear, you can just you know, feel free to let me know in the comment area. So with that, guys, let's see each other on the next one. Ciao.